How to use VLC Media Player as a video editor. Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use VLC Media Player as a video editor. So let's get started. First of all, head over, open VLC Media Player. And first, I'll show you how you can merge two videos and play them on VLC Media Player. To do that, first of all, you're going to click on Media here at the top left. And once you do so, you're going to click on Open Multiple Files. And over here, you got to simply add the files that you wish to open. Like you can just open batch files. So let me just drag and drop some of the files. So I'm going to simply select these two files and I'm going to put them over here. So now you can see there are two files. Next, you got to click on this arrow over here next to play. And here, you got to click on convert. So once you do so, you'll be able to see something like this. So what you got to do, you got to simply check this one, that is display the output. And then you're going to click on append converted to file name if you want to save this as well. And you're going to select your output. And after that, you're going to simply head over, click on start. So that is basically how you can open two files or more than two files together on VLC Media Player. Now I'm going to show you how you can edit one within VLC Media Player. So let us simply just play one file. So let's say I'm going to play this one. Okay, so let me pause it for a minute. And now I'm going to show you how you can edit it. To do that, what you're going to do is simply go to Tools, and here you're going to click on Effects and Filters. And here, there are numerous effects. First is audio effects. If you wish to edit the audio of the video, you can do that. We have equalizer, we have compressor, specializer, stereo widener. So you can just change the audio of this video. The next we have is video effects. So first we have is essential, that is image is just like how you want to adjust, like you just notice the colors in the background, like what colors you want, you can adjust that here. The brightness, if any video is really dull, you can just simply increase the brightness. You can change the contrast, saturation, gamma, and then we also have some tools for sharpening, and then we have crop. So now if you wish to, crop the top one, let's just say 100px, so you can see that the top is cropped. Now, if you wish to synchronize top and bottom, so you can simply click on this over here. Now you can see the top and bottom both are cropped. And then we have is colors. So we have color extraction. Like you can see the color is extracted. So that looks so bad. I'm going to just toggle it off. And then we have color threshold. We have negate colors, posterize, gradient. So you can edit it according to your own choice. We have geometry, we have interactive zoom, like if you wish to click on any piece, there is a small picture over here at the top left. So this is basically a video that would be playing. And while you play the video, you can simply click on this over here and even over here. And then you can simply in real time edit the video and just see the specific parts of the video. And then we have is transform, like if you wish to transform the video completely, like you want to rotate it in any way, so you can do that. So let us say you want to rotate it by 180 degrees, or you want to rotate it, flip horizontally, so you can completely do that. And then we have is rotate. That is like this, if you wish to rotate the video in any way you want, so you can do that as well. We have wall, and then we have overlay. If you wish to add any logo at the top of this video, you can simply, upload a logo over here, and then you can do that. And then we have a logo erase. If you wish to erase any logo, you can do that from here. You can also add a text. We have a sample text of VLC. You can see it over here. You can position it, like let us do it to the right, and now you can just position it according to your own choice. We have some more advanced settings like anti-flickering, motion blur, and other stuff. You can also mirror the video, and you can simply just see and toggle and play with these like your own choice. So that is basically how you can edit any video within VLC Media Player. So if you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.